Good morning. It's a beautiful, although rainy, a bit rainy Friday morning. It's around 5 a.m. Our destination today is Jensan. I'm gonna visit my girlfriend because she's from Jensan. Because I also ordered one set of tuna, yung panga, yung buong set talaga, yung ulo. So we're gonna buy some dried fish sa Kalumpang or Bulad kasi doon talaga yung pinakamalaking dried fish na here.
When I'm blue, I think of you in your eyes, how they look at mine, so kinda like that. You slow down time and everything's just fine. I was ocean swimming with just wishbone, thinking of my life, the vision drifting by.
Alright, so update. Andito tayo sa MERS ngayon. Yan. So we're at MERS. So this is a famous, matagal na to na famous na delicacy shop dito sa may Davao del Sur. So they're normally known for their bibingka. And even may iba pang kakanin at mga ibang delicacies. Kagaya ng mga peanut brittle or peanut butter nila, mga honey, etc. So yun, banana chips ganun. So yun, ang pinaka-famous nila yung bibingka. Normally kasi now it's already 6. Kapag mga 8 na or kahit 7, minsan ubos na. May mga puto din sila. So yeah, kasi favorite to ng parents ng girlfriend ko. So that's why nagdaan ako. Even my parents, favorite nila. Pero minsan nauubusan ako kapag pauwi ako ng Davao. When I go home, nauubusan ako. That's why what I normally do is ang ginagawa ko is I buy.
I didn't understand.
What? Okay, so nag-prompt si Google. Anyways, yun, I normally buy beforehand. Papunta pa lang doon, I buy para sa kanila and then I also buy para sa amin na pauwi. Kasi normally kapag umuwi ako, it's already afternoon. Nauubusan na. Rarely there's na may maiwan. Alright, so next stop is Sea Oil Gihing kasi magpapagas tayo doon. Alright, so ayan, so kakagas up lang sa Sea Oil Gihing rather. So yan. So this is Sea Oil Gihing. It's one of the biggest, if not the biggest siguro na sea oil dito sa so yan. Sobrang lawak na sea oil. Next stop is probably Jensan na. Alright, so catch you later.
When I'm scared, I send a flare and you're here in a flash. When I ask, oh dear love, where did we come from? You say that like the sun. I had the will and mission, but the wrong position. I was open, praying for a sign, until I found a lighthouse in your heart, shining like a beacon of bright stars.
Alright guys, so update. Ayan po. Alright guys, so update. It's 1 in the afternoon. So ayan, actually kanina hindi na ako nakapag-update na nakadating na. So ayan, kasama natin si girlfriend. Kasama natin si Aya Cakes.
What the hell?
Punta kami ng Kalumpang guys. So we're gonna buy yung dried fish or bulad. So nandyan sa Kalumpang yung pinakamalaki talaga na bagsakan ng dried fish or bullads. So muna siya, lugar yan siya dito ng ating Aya Cakes or si girlfriend. Ayan na po. Ayan na. So ayan guys, ito yung palabas sa block sa bahay nila Ange. So ayan, this is Fatima, tama ba?
NASA.
NASA pala, NASA. So yan guys, nandito yung mga spaceship guys dito sa NASA, SpaceX. Wala kaulan no? So yan, maraming rain clouds. Probably ka na
Basta
rain.
naalagay ka. Kaulag yun. Or dagko.
Dilig ba? Ayun,
Mo gani. Pag nakapa ka, nagdadago.
alright guys, so ito yung bulad. Pila? Sila? Yan guys, ito yung Pandawan. So ayan, actually kasi it's already Friday, medyo paubos na yung yung masarap talaga yung danggit, pero wala na yung danggit kasi paubos na kasi it's Friday.